The Singer Simple Sewing Machine does beautiful buttonholes in 4 simple steps. Well, once you have your buttonhole done, wouldn't it be easy to stitch the button on by machine as well? So you do have a button sew on foot, so we're going to go ahead and switch over to it now. So just slide that little bar right up into it. So what's nice is that these little blue grippers are going to help sit on the button and make sure that it doesn't go anywhere. So as I slide that into position, I can lower the presser foot down. Now, here is a trick. You do need to make sure you go all the way to 0 for the stitch length. We're going to pick a zigzag that just needs to tap back and forth into those holes and stitch the button in place. So as we go to our zigzag, you're going to need to actually test the swing of the needle to make sure it is wide enough. So let's go ahead. I'm going to actually start all the way at the widest setting here. And I can kind of see that the needle is hovering just about over one of the holes. This one, it's set up to go into the left hole right now. And then I'm going to hand turn and make sure the swing of the needle goes all the way into that other hole. Once they have lined up, you can go ahead and stitch back and forth and then bring your needle up and your button is stitched on. I love that you can see where you're stitching, but the foot is holding it in place. So those jobs that require you to stitch your buttons back on, no problem with this machine.